is that our people, we are political party persons and then social workers. We are concerned with environment and protection of our land and our people in 6th schedule area in Karbi Anglong, West Karbi Anglong, and in the Mahasau. We have been hearing that some companies have come in Langwoku area and they are trying to set up some mining operation there. They would destroy the earth, the soil of the cultivation areas of the people. They will not be able to stay, they will be evicted. All the tribal people will be evicted from there. So our people have only gone to see. We have not entered the area also, but they have been talking to the people only. The rest, the detail, will be spoken by Vikram Hanse and Mr. Dolley, Pronab Dolley, because they are the people who have faced the real thing.
Yes.
You can ask them.
Thank you, sir.
But we demand that there should be no arrest. This is only harassment. The police is only harassing us.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, as everyone in Assam knows that we are concerned citizens and we work for the rights of people to protect our nature, to protect the land of our people. A team of esteemed researchers and environmental workers from different parts of the country today visited Karbi Anglong to understand how the 6th schedule in Karbi Anglong is functioning, and also to see what is the state of the forest and the nature and the land here. In order to give them an exposure, we took them to one of the villages where a Sainik School is coming up. So we went there, we had a conversation, the villagers came to meet us, we had a conversation, and we were just democratically talking in front of the church there, sitting there and democratically having a discussion, introducing each other. And suddenly the police from Manja police station and Delhi police station, they come there with a lot of armed guards and they come and disturb our peaceful discussion. And we never expected that Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, which we take a pride in as a symbolic and a great 6th schedule, will behave like that with our guest. So we demand that immediately the researchers and our friends who have come here to Karbi Anglong to spread the good message or the reality of people here, what is happening